The infirmary riot. One sneeze utter chaos. Li Yunpeng hides in the infirmary, avoiding Dr. Han's exam as girls bicker outside. Suddenly, boom, Liu Ying bursts in, broom in hand, furious. Where is pervert Li Yunpeng? She accuses him of misdeeds. Chaos erupts. Girls defend him or tease. Hiding, Li realizes he's public enemy. Desperate to stop the fighting, he tries to yell, but an earth-shattering ACHOOO erupts instead. The violent sneeze makes him kick the bed, launching him. He snags the curtain hook with a loud RIP. The curtain collapses. Li Yunpeng stands shirtless, bruised, snot dripping, staring at a stunned, red-faced Liu Ying. You're not wearing clothes. You hooligan, pervert, go to hell, she screams. Girls react, sighing, covering eyes, or laughing. Dr. Han calmly notes, patient overstimulated, transfer to psychiatric department recommended.